up, y'all? It's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a huge haul on the Betty Boop Shein collection. It had dropped this fall 2024 and your girl picked up quite a few things. I might have went a little bit crazy, and Betty Boop has been one of my girls for a minute. Y'all know that Hello Kitty is like my #1. So, you know, when I found out about this collection, you know, I had to pick up a few things. It did not disappoint. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video, y'all. First thing, and I had opened this already, I had picked up this Betty Boop coffee mug. It has like this heart-shaped handle on it. It's got a pretty design on the front. It says #sassy. She's got like a kiss mark. It's got like a red inside and everything. It's got her winking on the other side. Now I can finally drink out of it because I've been waiting to film this. So I'm gonna definitely, you know, have my morning coffee with this tomorrow. I also picked up some nails. You know, I am a press-on nail girly. For the last 6-7 years I've been like a press-on nail girly. I don't, you know, frequent the nail salons anymore. I've been doing it like myself. So I had picked up these super cute Betty Boop nails. I just did some other press-ons earlier. They come with like a big assortment of nails. They come with the stickies, of course. And I think this is just like some little cute packaging in a nail file. Next, I had picked up some socks. It came with 2 pair in the pack. So it came with a black pair. It says Attitude on them. Nice and kind of thick for like the cold weather time. It comes with a red pair. And it says Boop Love. So I don't think I've opened this yet. I think this is the brush holder, a makeup brush holder. Okay. Oh, it's nice. It's like a acrylic. It's like a hard acrylic. Romantic Rebel. This is where the brushes will go in. I actually did pick up some brushes too. So let me put that to the side for a minute. So yeah, I got some brushes right here. And it comes in a nice little travel case if you want to keep them stored like that. And it comes with 4 makeup brushes, y'all. This looks like a nice little liner brush right here. This looks like a fluffy shader brush. So I can use it to put my eyeshadow on my eyelids. I like to use my shader brushes for that. This looks like a flat kind of like blending brush to get up in the crease. And then this last one looks like a kind of round, kind of domed blending brush. So they look really cute laying up in a case like that. And I got one other brush too. And then I got like a all over kind of like complexion brush. Maybe not complexion, maybe like a powder brush. And it has her winking with like a crown on. It's just like a kind of like a kabuki kind of brush. You could just touch up real quick, you know, do something like that. Will that fit? Yeah, that fits too. So love this. Really cute. Oh, like my hair matching, everything on matching up. I like this. I really do like this. Let me see, what do I have here? This is cute. Oh yeah. I totally forgot. This is some sponges, y'all. I was like, what is this? I bought so much stuff. Ooh, okay. So it comes in a nice little container. And then I got like a little flat, you know, for you to blend like your foundation. I like the shape of that. So they almost like the same color. This one, I guess it's like a little bit orangier. We got like a flat edge one for you to get to blend out like your concealer. This is like these two are kind of like the same, maybe like a different colors. Oops. But these are real nice. They're real soft. And got 3 sponges. You can never have too many sponges. You know, if you know, you know, you can never have too many. Only other small things that I had got was some jewelry, because I do love my jewelry. This is a pretty pendant. It has her face on it, kind of looking up with like her big old eyes. It's really, really cute. I'm sure that it's just maybe like stainless steel or something like that. So that is pretty. And then I got the matching earrings, which are pretty. We got like some little dangling rubies on the bottom. Really cute. I kind of want to put them on. I mean, why not? I mean, I really could just put the necklace and everything on too. So yeah, they're really cute. Not doing too much or anything at all. You can wear them dressed up or dressed down. I said I might as well put the necklace on too, because why not? Okay. Nice and lightweight, really cute. And I also got the matching bracelet. Super cute. It just got like a red high heel and a red ruby heart, and then her same face in the middle. So I got it on. It looks really cute on. Really cute. Let me know what y'all think. All right, so now we about to move on to the clothes, y'all. First outfit I had got this sweatshirt, and I'm gonna be trying it on the other side. But it's this cute sweatshirt, right in time for fall. It's like this apricot, beigey kind of color, beigey yellowish kind of color. And it's got like this kind of pop art cartoon scheme on the back. And it's really oversized, y'all. I didn't size down. I just stuck with like my typical size with this. But you know, if you want, you can size down. It is pretty big. Like it won't even fit in like this frame. But it is pretty big. This is a medium. I picked up these leggings that match the sweatshirt. It's these red and black leggings. They have kiss marks, and they got this cute graphic on the thigh. These look pretty roomy. These look pretty roomy and stretchy. And I just got my normal size in this as well. I put all of my sizing down below, but I got my normal size in these. They have like some weight to them. Like I could see them being pretty warm for like the fall, the spring. They're not like fleece lined or anything, so they probably won't be really, really warm in the winter, but I'm sure in the house, you know, in the winter time or out in like the fall or the spring, these probably would be perfect. Really excited about this outfit. I don't even know like where I'm gonna wear it to. And I kind of just got like everything pretty much that the model had on. So I got this really cute like sweater vest. It's got Betty Boop on it with like her dog. I don't know the name of her dog. And I got my normal size in this too, and it fits me just perfectly. And then I also got like a white shirt, like a plain white shirt on Shein to wear under it if I want to do like the white shirt, you know, sweater vest kind of look. So like if I want to do that, I can wear it like that also. Picked up this scarf, like this handkerchief scarf. It's really cute, y'all. I haven't even opened this yet. Look at that. It is really, really cute. It says sassy on it. That must be her thing. But this is nice. I'm thinking about like tying it like around my neck, you know, doing like a look like that. Of course, wear it as like a hair scarf, or if you want to wrap up your hair at night in it. It's multi-purpose, you know, you can never have too many scarves. So I had picked up this cute beret, and this is really nice quality. I had looked at this already, and it's lined, has like a nice satiny lining, some pretty patches on the front. Well, I'm gonna try it on in a video. Y'all see me, you know, wearing it in the video. But it's really cute. Got like the little thing on the top, you know, a little tip on the top. And it's really nice. It's kind of giving like wool. I don't know if it is wool. It could be. But it's kind of giving like, this is definitely good for like cold weather. And to complete the outfit, I had picked up this cute, really cute pleated skirt. It says Betty on it. I could have ironed this, but obviously I haven't ironed it yet. But it has like her like a heart and her winking in on the tips of the dress on the front and the back. Really cute. So I did try this on, and my normal size was too tight. This skirt doesn't have like any stretch at all. So it's like very low stretch, hardly any. So I did have to size up in this, but I love this outfit. I don't even know like where I'm gonna wear it to. I feel like it's too cute for work. Maybe like holidays. Oh, that would be great. It would be probably perfect for like Christmas, or like Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, you know, one of the kind of cooler holidays. Valentine's Day, like why not? You could wear it like on Valentine's Day. So I don't know like what I'm gonna save this outfit for, but I really do love it. It's really nice quality. Really nice quality. Skirt is giving like polyester, of course, but the sweater definitely has like some other materials in it. So it's got viscose, polyester, and polyamide. So it feels like quality. And even like her face on the front is kind of soft. The scarf is nice quality, and the hat is nice quality too. So this dress, you know, I'm not really like that crazy about, but it does match like these boots that I have recently purchased. So maybe I was just trying to like buy something that matched like these boots, but it's just okay. It's kind of giving pajamas. I don't know, it's kind of giving pajamas to me. But they did line it. It is lined and everything. I really feel like I should have stuck with like my normal size and everything. I don't think that it was a need to size up in this dress. I feel like it's kind of like wearing me, and I'm not like wearing it. It's kind of giving that look to me, but it's just okay. I think that it's cute for Halloween. You know, it's Halloween season right now, so it is kind of giving like a cute Halloween kind of look. You can wear it, you know, around amongst the Halloween, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad at it too much. This is like the last kind of like outfit that I had picked up. I had picked up a night robe. Really cute. It's kind of like a thin robe. It's not like a heavy like winter robe. It's kind of like a springy, like summery robe. But if you're like one of those people who gets like hot, you know, you should be fine in it. And it comes with a belt, and I believe that it does have like belt loops, and it's pretty oversized. I kind of knew that going in, but I still got like my normal size. I don't really tend to size down with Shein. I either stick with like my normal size, or sometimes I have to size up. But I really like this. It's really cute, and to be, you know, kind of like cutesy and pretty. I don't normally wear these, but it is really nice. I had picked up this eye mask. It's kind of like satiny, and it's got Betty Boop embroidered in gold on the front. It's black in the back, and it comes with a really nice like pouch to, you know, store it in or whatever. I might sleep in it tonight. I really like it. And then lastly, I had picked up a pair of pajamas. You know, I had to pick up some pajamas. I feel like you could never have too many pairs of pajamas. I do love my pajamas. And they have like kisses all over them. They're like a light pink. I did size up in these. I don't think I needed to, but you know, pajamas do usually shrink. You know how we normally like wear them a lot. Well, I know that I wear my pajamas, you know, at least like once a month. So they're gonna get washed a lot. So I decided to size up. And it is super cute. Like I said, I might put this on tonight. You know, put the whole little thing on with the mask. Go to bed all cute and soft and cuddly. So that was everything from this haul, y'all. Let me know how y'all thought that I had did. But like I said in the beginning, it is a huge collection and I did pick up a lot of things, but there's still so many other things to choose from. So go ahead and check it out. Fun fact, y'all, I found out that Betty Boop is based upon a black woman. Have y'all heard that? Yeah, let me know if y'all heard that down in the comments. Also let me know like what other kind of videos do y'all want to see me do? You know, do you all want to see more hauls? Do you want to see more makeup content, vlogging, more challenges? Just let me know down below. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you care. And until next time, y'all, take care.